Welcome to BTS Disco. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more BTS updates. Suga's Rolling Stone interview. In April, he sat in his label's headquarters wearing a grey knit cap, white mask and black parka. As he spoke about his battles with depression, his songwriting process, staying hungry after conquering the world, and much more. You had surgery late last year for a shoulder injury that I believe dates back to your training days. How are you feeling? Suga said, I am feeling much better. There's still some physical therapy that I have to do, but it's much better. And yes, I suffered the injury in an accident when I was 20 years old, and then as I continued to deteriorate, it was recommended to me that I undergo surgery. Fortunately, there was little bit of time that I could use to have this procedure, so that's what we did. Choreography for all these years with this injury, how did you manage that? By the years before I got surgery, I think I was receiving treatments, injections almost on monthly basis. But there were times when I couldn't lift my arm or have a full range of motion in the middle of concert. So it wasn't really so much about pain, it's more about whether I would be able to continue doing these performances. When you are actually performing with full passion, it doesn't really hurt. You sort of experience that the next day. That's when you feel the pain or the discomfort or you can't raise your arm anymore. Interviewer said, I love the song First Love, where you talk about your early obsession with your piano and with music. The lyrics suggest that your love for music is also a source of torment. What was going on there? Suga said, when I was working on First Love, I wanted to express a mix of different emotions. Because first love is not all good things, there's the bitter things as well. So I was talking to Mr. Bang about attaching the metaphor of first love to the first moment I came to know music. The target of the love is a piano, but it could be anything, a friend or some other entity. Then I wanted to show the emotions you go through. You have been open in your lyrics about depression and other struggles. How are you now? Suga said, I am comfortable now and feeling good, but those sort of negative emotions come and go. So it's like the cold weather, it may come back in your cycle over a year and a half. But when I hear people say that when they listen to my music and feel comfort and are consoled by those lyrics that express their emotions, that makes me feel very good. It's very encouraging. I think for anybody, these emotions are not something that need to be hidden. They need to be discussed and expressed. Whatever emotion that I may be feeling, I am always ready to express them now as I was before. You have written many songs for BTS, many for yourself and many songs for other people. What is your usual songwriting process? Suga said this is really different for every song. Sometimes it may be a word that pops up and I build on that word. Or someone could make a request for a certain way they would like a song to be developed. Sometimes we decide on a theme and then we sort of freely work for the larger overarching theme that we may have. But generally when I work on a song, I create the beat first and then the melody and the rap and then finally the lyrics. That's generally how I build them. How is your guitar playing going? Since my shoulder got much better, I am back on the guitar. I have been playing other people's songs to practice of course, and I am looking forward to sometime in the far future of being able to sing and play with guitar at the same time. That's what I am working towards. In Dope Song, you have a great line about your youth rotting in a studio, but do you ever have regrets about that? Suga said, I have no regret about the work in the studio. Those days and that time have allowed me to have that kind of opportunities that I have now and today. So there's no regret, but I do sometimes think, why did I have to spend so much time in the studio? Why couldn't I have gone faster? I had that head to the grindstone effort. Why couldn't I have rested a little more or refreshed myself a little bit more? I do think about that. Is it frustrating that some of your foreign fans might miss certain things? As they don't speak Korean, translations can't convey all of it. Suga said, when I was growing up, of course I listened to American hip-hop and pop. My English is not very good. So I read the lyrics and the translations of the lyrics. And obviously the native speakers of English may consider the key lines, the key verses and the punchlines. I really couldn't understand them because of the language barriers. And I think that's an unavoidable part of the language barrier. I think it is important to try to find a happy medium where people from both languages and culture or other languages understand it. So we try to write lyrics sort of in the happy middle that can be understood by people speaking other languages. And also I am studying English more and more, trying to get more familiar with it. So if we can get both Korean speakers and English speakers to understand the lyrics, that would be great. But again, that's something I experience as well. There is a story that your parents didn't like that you were rapping, that they even tore up your lyrics. How did that affect you? Suga said, my parents didn't understand rap, they are a generation apart from myself and they never listened to our rap. It wasn't part of music that they listened to. So it's only natural that they were against what I was doing, and of course being a musician is a very unstable profession as well. So I can understand completely why my parents were against what I was doing. But I think that motivated me or helped me work harder because there was something that I now had to prove. I had to show my parents it was possible, so I drove and motivated me to even work harder. BTS worry about fans' reactions on dating subject, but Suga at least rejected that idea. I have a hard time understanding this question. He says the army is a diverse group. In this hypothetical situation, some may accept it or some may not. Whether it's dating or something else, they are all individuals and they will understand things differently. After all that BTS has achieved, how do you stay hungry? Suga said, I am one of the people who think that not only do people change, but people must change. But I do think it's so important to maintain that hunger. But from the days when we were actually hungry, we set routines for ourselves and they stayed with you, even if you change as a person. I think we are still able to draw upon the things that we talked about when we are still hungry. So you can maintain that work ethic and stay hungry, even if we change and develop as person. Now instead of hungry, I think we are more hungry, angry, hungry, he laughed. Thank you so very much for watching my video.